All right, let's talk about this, finding the surface area. And we'll start off with probably the more difficult of the two here, triangular prisms. And so it's like right here, you have your triangular prism, you know, right here. So we got a triangular prism. Now, the best way to find the surface area is you realize the surface area is kind of like gift wrap. Gift wrap. Uh, and so you try and figure out how much gift wrap it would take to cover this entire item if you were just putting it on there skin tight there, right? And so what you got to do, the easiest way to do it is break it down into the shapes that you have. And so we know we have a rectangle here, and I mean a triangle here and a triangle there. So we get two triangles. Both of them have a base of 4 and a height of 3. And so to find the area of that one, 4 times 3, cut it in half. So we get 6 there, and we get 6 here. Now, we got to talk about our faces here. Two of our faces, right here, you got 3.6 times 14, which is going to be 50.4. So, 50.4. And again, my penmanship is still neater than a bunch of you guys. So right here, that's going to be 50.4 as well. And then we get our last one in there. 4 times 10 is 40. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 and 40, 56. And so to figure out our surface area, all we have to do is just add these all up. And so if we go 12 and 56, 12 and 56 is going to be 68. And then we got 50 and 50 to 100, so 100.8. And let's add that all together, and we get 168.8, and it's inches squared. Squared, not cubed, because we're talking about area. So it works out kind of easy there. Let's talk about rectangular prisms. So let me just get my pointer back here, bring up the next slide. And then while I'm talking about this, I'll be erasing. And so surface area rectangular prism, again, it's working the same way. It's just that what you have here is you have 6 faces. 6 faces. And so 6 rectangular faces. So 6 times you have length times width. And so even though they have this length times width times height, and they give you this big old formula here of 2 times length times height and 2 times length times width, bottom line, you get 6 faces. You got a front. Oh, okay, if you think about it, you got a front, and you got a back. You got a top. You got a bottom. You got a left. And you got a right face. And so if you think about it, you got this times this to get the front. You got this times this to get the top and the bottom. You got this times this to get the left and the right face. And that's why there's 2 of them, because the 2 accounts for, like L and H. L and H accounts for front and back. And then LW. LW accounts for top and bottom. And then left and right. All right, so don't let it confuse you. Let's go to the next slide here. Go through an example here. So slide 3, boom. All right, so I'll erase this. And so if we have our rectangular prism here, right? Oops, I'll have to talk about that in the next one here. I spent too much time drawing. All right, out here.